This guide will walk you through the steps required to complete a skills assessment on SkillsMiner. Using this information allows us to find you the best opportunities for CPD, career progression and upskilling. From selecting options to providing information, follow the precise instructions to navigate through the assessment seamlessly. Having signed in, you will now be directed to complete the skills assessment. This enables us to capture key information to help you. Firstly, we need to know your role. Click on the chevron to show a list of available roles. Select your current role or job title from the list. This is the role your employer has assigned to you. If the list is long, you can type the name of your role in here to refine the list. For the purposes of this example, we have selected the masseurs option. If your role is not listed, you can click on Create New. However, please note, this will go to your HR department for verification before you can continue with SkillsMiner. Now you can do the same with your department. Click on the arrow to show all options. Select the department in which you work. Again, you have the option of creating a new department if yours is not listed. But, as before, this will require confirmation from HR before you can progress to the next section. Then, finally repeat this process when selecting your line manager. The options will include line managers' names and their email addresses. If there is a long list, you can type in part of the name to refine the list. And, yet again, if your manager is not listed, you can request the creation of a new manager. There may be a list of additional questions set by your organization in this section. These are unique to each organization. Once you are content with all your responses, click Submit. Unless you added a new role, department or manager, you can now progress to the next section. Once you have read the content of the welcome screen, click on Let's Go. You will now complete the assessment using SkillsMiner's virtual assistant. This generally takes about 5 minutes, and once it is completed, you never have to return to it again. To begin, enter the location in which you work. Indicate how far you are willing to travel for work purposes. Indicate the type of job you are looking for. Enter your salary preference. Provide your preferred job type. Select Confirm to proceed. In the previous section, you already told us you worked as a masseuse, so now simply confirm how long you have done this job for. You can then enter any other experience you have. This is a very important element. Here we find out what you have done in the past, to allow us to understand what other skills you have. In this example, we've entered shiatsu in the field. SkillsMiner then looks for the best direct and close matches. We have a direct match of shiatsu practitioner, so we will select this. You will notice the other options use relational words, like massage and acupuncturist. Once you are happy with your choice, select Confirm. We then ascertain your experience so we can establish expertise. Choose Confirm. You can repeat this process until such time as you have entered all your relevant experience. We then can understand your skills and experience. This is a powerful way of quickly understanding your skills, through simply knowing what you've done. We now ask a range of questions to ascertain your interests. This enables us to not only find you opportunities based on your skills, but also what interests you. In this tutorial we only show you one question. We also ask a range of questions on your working styles. Just like interests, understanding your working styles helps us to find you the best opportunities. Again, here we are only showing you one question. At the end of the assessment you will see your completed profile. This allows us to subsequently personalize your SkillsMiner experience. You will be notified of the completion of your initial assessment. You are now ready to start your SkillsMiner adventure. The guide covered the entire process of a skills assessment on SkillsMiner, including selecting options, filling in information, and navigating through the assessment efficiently. Follow the provided instructions to successfully complete the assessment.